guys, so I am coming today to do a styling video. I've just washed my hair, which is what it looks like all over my head right now. I decided that I wanted to try to do a chunky twist out to give myself some volume. So that is what today's video is going to be. I've already washed my hair. And I use the Head and Shoulders Advanced 2-in-1 Tea Tree shampoo and conditioner. It's the 2-in-1. The reason why I started using this is because my scalp was getting very itchy and it helps to moisturize my scalp. But because it has conditioner in it, it isn't as harsh as other shampoos can be. So that is the shampoo that I have been using for the last few months actually. And then I, of course, deep condition my hair, because if you color your hair, make sure you deep condition your hair. I am still using this Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moist. I love this stuff. I use it religiously now. It is my go-to deep conditioner, and if you don't believe me, I buy them by the queue because I'm using it so often. So this one's pretty much empty, and I'm gonna have to open up my next 2-pack now. For my leave-in, I'm going to be using this Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Curl Repair leave-in. My hair's a little dry, so I'm hoping that this is going to help. I actually got this from my mom because she used it and she didn't like it, so I was like, I'll give it a try. So I've used it a time or two before. It has a very thick, I don't even know if you're going to be able to see, there we go, thick consistency, does not move. So I'm just going to add this to my hair. I'm not sectioning it off quite yet. Probably should be doing that, but I don't really do that too much anymore since my hair is so short now. It just seemed kind of silly for me to do that. So the plan is, in my head, to do 3, so I'm going to split my hair down the middle, have 2 on the side, 3 in the front, 3 in the back, for a total of 8 twists. And I think that should be enough to give me a pretty good chunky twist out. Now, if you are like me, today is actually Saturday. I'm doing my hair on Saturday because anytime I try to do any kind of a twist style where my hair is going to be in twist, it takes forever for my hair to dry. Now, if I do like a wash and go, I can let it air dry and it dries pretty fast. Or I can use my diffuser to help it along. With twists, you know, I could sit under my dryer, but I'm gonna be honest, I ain't sat under a hair dryer probably over a year. I hate it. It's hot. Alabama is already hot. I don't need no help. You know, it doesn't need any help. This heat has it on lock. Don't need no help from me. So I'm doing it today in the hopes that having an entire day of it being twisted on Sunday, which is tomorrow, will give it enough time for it to actually dry. Now, whether or not that is the case, who knows? A mix of Eco Style Gel, and I use the Argan Oil one. And pulled this out, trying to use up these products that I have before I start buying new. So this is the Motions Hydrate My Curls Hair Pudding. Again, I've been having dry hair. It looks like it's a nice big cream. I am hoping that it will allow me to have some nice hydrated hair for this week. We'll see. My hair does look fun, so who knows. So now comes the fun part. So like I said, I am going to do 3 big chunks, 3 big twists coming down in the front, 3 going down in the back, and then 2 on the side. So now I have to part it all off. Okay, so now what I'm going to do gonna do these on the side first. See, seem like they'd be a little bit easier. So I'm gonna take this, what is it? Hydrate My Curls. And I am going to put a crap ton of this on, because what I don't want is to have dry hair in the middle of the week. And I did a twist out last week, and that is what happened. And I think it's because I didn't do enough cream product to gel. I only need enough gel to keep it from getting frizzy too fast, and I think I just used too much gel and I needed to use more curl stuff. So we're gonna try to fix that today. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the gel and just kind of run that through for hold's sake. And then we're just gonna do a nice big fat twist and a downward motion. So exciting now. What we have going on. This is gonna get on my last nerves till it dries and shrinks up some, because right now it's huge. Doing twists, man, you can't get it as tight sometimes as you can with a braid. But what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna use this jojoba manoi oil from Eden Body Works. Again, this was something I got from my mom that she didn't like, so beggars can't be choosy. So I'm gonna just put this on the parts, just to kind of, you know, get my scalp some nice moisture. Wow. I'll just let it run down. And that is pretty much it. See you in a few seconds. Okay, so it is Monday. It's Monday. And I'm about to take this down. I've just been wearing a satin cap through the weekend. Got looking a little frizzy, but it's okay. I'm going to start by putting some jojoba oil back on my scalp again, since I'm going to be using my pick to pick it out. So this will be the last time that these parts are so visible. So I'm going to take this opportunity to a little something on the scalp. Let that run down. Get it nice and oiled. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to touch parts of my hair to get some of that oil in my hands to take down my hair. So let's see if this is a yay or a nay, because honestly, it can go either way. It's still a little damp. It feels like, okay. First one's not so bad. This is how it turns out. I am in love. It's very close to what my hair looked like before I cut it, which lets me know I'm getting very close to back to where I was. and I'm excited about that. So yeah, this turned out pretty good. So if you have shortish hair and you're looking for a way to kind of make your hair not look like the same old, doing a nice chunky twist out seems to be the way to go. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions about anything that I use, just leave it in the comments below and I'll answer it. Let me stop messing with it before I F it up. But also make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, all of that jazz. You can find me on Instagram if you want to see some pictures of how it goes as the week progresses. Catch me on Instagram, red_calamity. Also, if you're interested in podcasts, you should check out my podcast, which is Conversation Card Artist. I am Calamity Red. And yeah, I think that's going to be it. So until my next video, later loves.